The biggest Galaxy S24 Ultra leak has arrived, and it comes from Samsung itself. The Unpacked event is just a few days away, and you already know that there is a high possibility of leaks. First off, some fresh new hands-on shots of the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. We've seen this gadget in the wild before, but this time we're also looking at the box, which is practically an identical reproduction of the S23 Ultra packaging, and it includes, you guessed it, just a USB-C cable. Let's look at some official Samsung marketing materials that confirm and provide light on a few key points. First, Note Assist, a new feature on the S24 Ultra, is now available in the Notes app. It can summarize, format, or even translate your meandering notes into concise bullet points, saving you time and energy. Additionally, the S24 Ultra will include a nightography zoom, which will increase zoom performance in low-lit environments. Samsung boldly says that all three of its S24 models have a peak brightness of 2600 nits, which is a significant boost over its predecessor. Another notable feature of the S24 Ultra is a circle to search button, which opens a Google search for the specific product or item you circle on screen. It's impressive that it works on text, photographs, and videos without needing a screenshot. Additionally, they're displaying Live Translate, which converts foreign languages into your local tongue immediately on the phone app. Here are some more specifics about each of the three S24 phones. The charging speed remains the same as last year, and only the Ultra model will include a titanium build, while the other two S24 phones will have reinforced armor aluminum. Additionally, Samsung is verifying that the S24 Ultra does in fact have a flat display here in case you are still unsure. Additionally, remember to claim your $150 before it expires. There are just a few days left. Simply enter your name and email to reserve it. Do not include your credit card information. Surprises valued $970 and the S24 Ultra are $150. If you pre-order, it will cost $100 for the Plus and $75 for the S24. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.